Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today, actually, if you see, it's a tough time and staying on keto is difficult. And many of my subscribers and I have been messaged asking me what to do, how to continue, or should we leave keto. I would suggest shift to low carb for some time and then again shift to keto, because it's very difficult to manage if you don't get hold of the main ingredients, because keto is totally dependent on food. You cannot do keto without its main ingredients, the macros. You have to fulfill those macros, that is your protein and fats. You can stay without the carbs, but without protein and fats it becomes very difficult, and you may get hold of the fat portion or the fat macros, but the protein macros are a must, and you cannot survive keto without it. For some days you may survive, you may following, because I was reading through the many groups of keto group. They said why not go for intermittent fasting, but during intermittent fasting also you are following the macros. It is not that you, if you are doing intermittent fasting, you are not following the macros. You have to follow the macros. What you can do is take 50 gram or 60 gram net carb, so that you don't have so much of a problem. Shift to taking one time lentils or pulses. If you are on a vegetarian diet, you can, because these are the lentils and pulses, they are easily storable item and are easily available even. So you can take at least once a meal, you can shift to pulses and lentils, and you can manage your diet. I would give my suggestion: don't quit, shift to low carb. And when the situation, if till the time you come to a situation that you cannot survive, don't quit, because it's better you continue on the diet. Otherwise, whatever pain you have taken will go to waste. It's much better to shift from keto to low carb, and once the situation normalizes, shift again back to keto. My suggestion is this. Thank you.